Hello friend, welcome to Entry App. My name is Akash Shukla, your quantitative aptitude educator for all banking and insurance exam at Entry App. So guys, SBI Clerk 2021 third shift is over for 11th July 2021, and here we are with the analysis of the question paper. Basically, students are now out of the examination hall and we are started getting the reviews from us. So I'll be reviewing all the sections, all three sections here in this video. So let's see what was there in the quantitative aptitude portion. So guys, as far as quantitative aptitude portion of third shift was concerned, so students are telling that this section was from moderate to difficult, not easy. Only math section was there जो कि difficult था, ऐसा बच्चे बता रहे हैं. So for example, in simplification questions, so obviously 8 to 10 questions were there from the simplification, but so all the simplification questions were of calculative in nature. Yes guys, fraction and decimal में वहाँ पर calculation थी. That's why the paper level was tough. And quadratic equation question same as the second shift. We saw here quadratic equation question as well as the quantity based question Q1 and Q2. So 5 question here and 5 question from here. Data interpretation question tabular DI was there, 5 question were there. So department based DI was there, so HR and finance based was there, and student need to find how many present and absent employee were there. So this is the data given in the arithmetic tabular DI. From the arithmetic portion 10 questions were there, and some of the most popular topic like train, boat and steam, profit and loss, time and work. So usually we deal with this type of topic in the arithmetic portion. So this was your quantitative aptitude portion. But yes, third shift for the quantitative aptitude section, third shift was tough guys. Students are telling this. Now let's move to the reasoning ability section. So guys, on the reasoning ability section, inequality question 5 questions were of very easy, and direction senses 3 questions were of easy in nature, and 3 digit series 5 questions were there based on this 3 digit series like 5 6 5 4 3 5 7 8 9. So we need to answer the 5 question based on this series. And hopeful word was given, so pair. Okay, we need to just find the pair according to the alphabetical order. So 1 question was there. And wonderful word was given, and from 4 of these letters, 4 letters from these words we need to form a word. So this question from word formation, 1 question was there. As far as guys your puzzle and sitting arrangement was concerned, so a certain number of person in a row, again we deal with the a certain number of person in a row. And in the second shift this question was also there, 24 person were there, 5 question were there. Square based sitting arrangement where middle person facing outside whereas corner person facing inside, 5 questions were there. Easy, very easy I have to say. 8 floor based and 8 boxes based separate questions were there. So 5 questions from here, 5 questions from here. So this is how the reasoning questions were there in the examination. Let's see the English language section. So students are saying that English language section were of very easy in nature. So obviously if quantitative aptitude like one section were difficult according to the student, so one section must be very easy to maintain the level of difficulty of the question paper, overall question paper. So spotting error 4 to 5 questions were there guys from the spotting error. And multiple errors we need to find. We need to find that all are correct, this one is correct or this one is correct. Okay, so this is how the spotting error questions were formed. Sentence rearrangement 5 questions were there. Easy question, separate questions were there like A, B, C and D. We need to find the correct order guys. 5 questions from the sentence improvement. We saw the sentence improvement question here, not phrase replacement. Fillers questions were not there because we had close test question. We had close test question in this shift. In third shift, 5 question of very easy nature. Guys, very easy nature of very easy nature of your close test. Reading comprehension again 7 to 8 questions were there, and company analysis was given. So this was a theme of the reading comprehension section. And yes, 1 to 2 question of vocab based, and 1 vocab I can remind generic word. So generic word was there, so either antonym or synonym we need to find. So this was guys this was the 11th July shift 3rd SBI Clerk 2021 analysis. I hope you got all the things. Please share your attempt, what your attempt was. Obviously if I see the level of difficulty, then first shift was very easy, then second, and then third is very tough because of the mathematics section. It was very calculative in nature. This is what students are telling. So this is Akash Shukla guys signing off, and good luck for the exam, and please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you very much guys.